Hey, what's going on guys, Fred's Tech Up here, and this is the all-new Samsung Galaxy A52. The A series of Samsung devices has grown to a point where it represents the largest portion of the company's sales. The A series is very competitive and compelling. At 139,500 Naira or $365, this feels like a true mid-ranger. So in this video, I'll be sharing my unboxing experience and initial impression with you guys. When you open the box, you're greeted with the device itself with emphasis on its most important features like water and dust resistance. Okay, let's try it out and see.
Let's go. Yeah. This is looking good so far. See, it's touching very fine.
So the Samsung Galaxy A52 can swim and come out alive. That's a step in the right direction and I love it. Next is a 25-watt fast charger and a USB Type-C charging cable. Underneath the top cover is a box that houses an envelope with a SIM ejector tool, a transparent silicone case and some paperwork. And that's everything about the unboxing experience. When you take the plastic wrap off the device, you're greeted with a well-constructed device that feels premium. From my first impression here, it looks like the Samsung Galaxy A21 series. It has this boxy feels to it because of its almost squared design. The awesome black color that I have here is very beautiful. The downside though is that it attracts fingerprints very fast. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. At the bottom, we've got the headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. On top is where we have a SIM slot that can take dual nano SIM or a single SIM and a micro SD card. On the rear houses a quad camera setup that comprises of a 64 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra wide sensor, a 5 megapixels macro lens and a 5 megapixels depth sensor. So far the images looks promising and colors looks nice. I tested the night mode on here and it is super impressive. This is my first impression about this device. I only had it for some days and I have to spend more time with it before I bring you guys my full review. So stay tuned by subscribing and turning on post notification, alright? Hello guys, so this is a front facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy A52. So I am currently shooting using the 4K mode, 4K 30 frames per second, and I think the footage looks okay, but you know, this is my first impression about it. I am still currently testing it, so you just let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and also about the audio quality as well. Alright, so the Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with a Snapdragon 720G processor that is paired with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This is almost the same specs with the Oppo Reno 5 that I reviewed recently. If you would like to see a comparison video with the Oppo Reno 5, let me know in the comment section below. Display is one of the things that Samsung does better than anyone else in the smartphone industry. The Super AMOLED display on here is super sharp and vivid. It's a 6.5-inch 1080p Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness is capped at 800 nits. It has a pixels density of 405 and has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display is very bright and outdoor visibility is good too. Performance so far is very impressive. It feels fast and very responsive. The 90Hz refresh rate makes everything so appealing, snappy and smooth. This is a step above its predecessor. My first impression about it is very positive. There's nothing to dislike about it so far, but I'll keep on testing it for my full review. The software on here is Android 11 with One UI 3.1 skin. One UI has grown too. It is very clean and very responsive. It packs plenty of features that I will include in my full review. The fingerprint on here is fast and responsive all the time. However, there's a slight animation delay that I've noticed so far. It could be completely ironed out via a software update. Another thing you will notice very fast is the loudness of the speaker. It is loud and clear and I really appreciate it. The Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with a 4500 mAh battery, and so far it is holding up very well. I suspect it to be very good based on my initial testing so far. So far, my first impressions are very positive, and I like what Samsung has done here with the A52. It comes with major improvement from its predecessor, but do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.